Balance the strong kick of tequila with the sweet and tangy taste of sangria. Learn how to make tequila with sangria with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. In a bowl, pour the tomato juice, orange juice, lime juice, brandy, red wine, agave syrup, pickled jalapeno chilies juice, and onion with juice. Add in the diced orange, apple, and lime. Stir to combine, then set aside. Moisten the glass rims with lime wedges. Place the chili powder on a plate, invert the glasses, then dip in chili powder to coat the rims. On a platter, arrange the jicama and radish. Pour the sangria into the chili-dusted glasses, then serve with the tequila in separate glasses. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.